Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making compost in pots. If you have a small garden and don't have enough space to make a compost heap and you want to make compost, you still can do it. I make my compost in pots as well. Let's see how I do it. I have gathered some organic materials from around my garden and from my kitchen to make the compost. Let's see.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
سبح اسم ربك الأعلى.
Exalt the name of your Lord, the Most High,
الذي خلق فسوى.
who created and proportioned,
والذي قدر فهدى.
and who destined and then guided,
والذي أخرج المرعى.
and who brings out the pasture
فجعله غثاء أحوى.
and then makes it black stubble.
سنقرئك فلا تنسى.
We will make you recite, O Muhammad, and you will not forget,
إلا ما شاء الله إنه يعلم الجهر وما يخفى.
except what Allah should will. Indeed, He knows what is declared and what is hidden.
ونيسرك لليسرى.
And we will ease you toward ease.
فذكر إن نفعت الذكرى.
So remind if the reminder should benefit.
سيذكر من يخشى.
He who fears Allah will be reminded.
ويتجنبها الأشقى.
But the wretched one will avoid it.
الذي يصلى النار الكبرى.
He who will enter and burn in the greatest fire,
ثم لا يموت فيها ولا يحيا.
neither dying therein nor living.
قد أفلح من تزكى.
He has certainly succeeded who purifies himself
وذكر اسم ربه فصلى.
and mentions the name of his Lord and prays.
بل تؤثرون الحياة الدنيا.
But you prefer the worldly life,
والآخرة خير وأبقى.
while the hereafter is better and more enduring.
إن هذا لفي الصحف الأولى.
Indeed, this is in the former scriptures,
صحف إبراهيم وموسى.
the scriptures of Abraham and Moses.
I will plant tomato in it directly in summer, inshallah. I'll put some well-rotten horse manure or compost on the top if I need to, and that will do, inshallah. Hopefully the video was useful, and if you like the video, subscribe the channel to see more, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.